Welcome to the future. Are you ready to unbox the next big thing?
Let's rock and roll.
The sleek and powerful Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra promises to take innovation to the next level with a lot of upgraded cutting-edge features. Come with us as we talk about the features of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra in this video. Samsung appears to be moving away from the Galaxy S line's curved edge displays, as evidenced by the Galaxy S23 Ultra's noticeably flatter display when compared to its predecessor. Additionally, the 6.8-inch screen's new Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and 120Hz refresh rate made for an incredibly smooth viewing experience. But Samsung is determined about adding more exceptional features of its Galaxy S series, and the S24 Ultra will bring about significant advancements. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is likely to repeat the incredibly large 6.8-inch display of its predecessors, with a major jump from 120Hz to 144Hz refresh rate, which will put it at par with most gaming phones.
Impressive!
Naturally, we anticipate that this increase in refresh rate will be accompanied with outstanding performance attributes. The S23 Ultra was equipped with the most recent Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset from Qualcomm, and it worked incredibly well. Despite the fact that we are eagerly awaiting the debut of the even more modern and undoubtedly more potent Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 later this year, there have been reports that Samsung may instead choose its in-house Exynos CPU, which has received much criticism about performance gaps.
Not good at all.
However, according to recent reports, the Galaxy S24 will pick Snapdragon over Exynos. In fact, reports claim that the next S24 series will have a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset that is optimized for Galaxy devices. And these don't seem to be the only improvements coming to the high-end Galaxy S24 Ultra. Additionally, we anticipate some camera improvements. Remember to subscribe to our channel so that you never miss any of our frequent product leaks. Camera. While the 200 megapixels main camera of this year's S23 Ultra represented a significant improvement over the 108 megapixels main camera of the S22 Ultra, there are reports that Samsung may change its sensor for the S24 lineup. According to a recent source, Samlover has projected that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will have the same 200 megapixels main camera, but a new sensor which is predicted to improve picture processing. The sensor is believed to force the S24 to join the 1-inch club,
Cheers to that.
putting it on par with competitors like the Xiaomi 13 Ultra. We also expect that the zooming capabilities will be improved. You must be ecstatic to get your hands on these incredible S24 Ultra features. When can we anticipate the Galaxy S24 Ultra's release? The Galaxy S23 was unveiled on February 1st, and it officially went on sale on February 17th. We will get our first real look at the Galaxy S24 series at Samsung's Unpacked event next year, and we predict that the Galaxy S24 lineup, which would include the top-tier S24 Ultra model, will be announced in late January or early February 2024, followed by the start of sales a few weeks later, given its usual schedule. What are your greatest expectations for the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra? Tell us in the comments section. Another Samsung flagship that we are anticipating later this year is the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reports have it that it would bring further improvements to its under-display camera. Check out our next video, Z Fold 5's under-display camera, game changer, to learn more. We will see you in the next video.